parenthood. You come with me, so I own you. We can have a problem if I find a wherever you. When people make me mad, I take it out on you. You ain't ask me to be here, so here are your rules. You don't have no say in nothing you do, and your opinions will mean absolutely nothing too. Your daddy leaves me since I had you, and that's a problem, so you can pay for what I go through. Instead of talking, but I shall at you. When you piss me off, I throw low blows at you. You can live with me as long as you want to, but the whole world will know what I speak for you. And when you have time, I can earn them too, because I ain't trust the parenting skills I pass on to you. If you point out my flaws, I'm looking like miserable to you. I'm making sure you calm and tell me to deal with your own issues. When I make a mistake, I should be lying to you. I pray in my way, so I don't sin you. I ain't apologizing for nothing I do, and if I do, trust me, I ain't nothing I say to you. No matter how old you get, I can see you as a child, but I mean I can talk to you any kind of how. Respect is only deserved from me, and parenthood ain't no such thing as a two-way street.
Like you, do it like you. Nobody can do it like you.
JP on the beat, so do it like you. Stand up, sit down, nobody can do it like you. Stand up, nobody can do it like you. Stand up, sit down, nobody can do it like you.